Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at h-mart. They have a great Korean selection for food and snacks. So let's go inside and check it out. So here they have some chips. That's the snack area. Look at this. I really like this one, guys. This is the honey butter chips. This one's like, oh, it looks like noodles. This flavor probably shrimp. This is grilled corn. And here they have some popcorn. I love the packaging, it's so cute. These are rice snacks. They have here more flavor shrimp. So I guess this one here is the spicy one. More shrimp crackers. That's onion rings flavor. Here more shrimp flavors. Honey twist. And this one here are like turtle chips. And the flavor is sweet vanilla. And this one here is sweet potato flavor. So this is milk flavor candy, radish ginseng candy. Oh look, they have pumpkin patch, ginger. Coffee. Pumpkin chips. Butterwood chips. And this is the custard flavor, the sweet corn. This one is seaweed paste.
I asked her I was like, why do you think this? I was like, no, not all of it.
This is the peanut bowl.
And I'm like, I'm pretty sure though.
And Choco Boy. And look at these guys. This is the Oreo section. They have the red velvet. This is the vanilla mousse, the strawberry cream, chocolate mousse, the original but mild sweet, chocolate cream, tiramisu flavor. And look at this one here. It's the wafer. Okay, in here they have more crackers and candies. Look, this is the butter ring. They have a sweet and salt cracker. They are mini mascarpone cheesecake. They have a moist and chewy cake. And here they have some choco pie, flavored cocoa, green tea, banana, and black sugar milk tea. And this is the fresh berry and the fresh berry peach. And they have this Be My Waffle Mate, Be My Soulmate. This is cute. And I will get one of these to try because it's a lot of people getting it, so I want to try as well. In here they have some chocolate bars. This is with almonds, sweet red bean jelly. This is chocolate hazelnut cream, coffee, and white. And they have these ones here too. Strawberry and orange. This one here is cheesecake flavor. So here they have some pancakes and cake mix. Look, I have here. This one is awesome pancake mix. This is a black rice and honey. You can even make churros, green tea flavor. This is sweet corn. Here they also have some biscuit mix, and for everybody who loves kimchi, they even have the Korean style crispy pancake mix kimchi. So if you're looking for the Korean chili paste or the soybean paste, h-mart got you covered. Look at the selection that they have here. And here are some of the Korean noodles. We have this one, it's Korean style thick wheat noodle. Another Korean style noodles. This is extra thin. And they have so many options of noodles here, guys. Now I want to show you guys all the selection of drinks that I have here. This is like green plum, more plum drinks. This is pear. And here they have a raspberry drink, peach, mandarin, apple, pear, mango, apple, blueberry, and pomegranate. So here are the flavored milks. So this one is coffee. The melon flavor is strawberry and lychee and peach. Leave me a comment below. What is your favorite Korean snack or Korean food? I love dumplings. So I'm getting hungry. Let's go grab some lunch. And today we are here at SGG, which is a Korean restaurant. They have a great menu, so let's go inside and have some lunch. Guys, my food is ready, so let's begin. Really good. these guys. Yum. And I love some dumplings. And guys, the food was delicious. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so we can stay connected. See you in my next video. I caught that on camera.